In today's video, I'm going to show you how to accept debit card payments in Stripe quickly and easily. Whether you're setting up your online store for the first time or just want to enable more payment options for your customers, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com once you're on the homepage. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password, and then click Sign In to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that extra security step by entering the verification code sent to your device. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Stripe dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, go to the Settings tab located on the left-hand side. Scroll down a bit and under the Product Settings section, click on Payments. This is where you can manage all the payment methods your customers can use. Next, you'll see a section called Payment Methods. Here, you'll find a list of all available payment options supported by Stripe, including cards, wallets, and bank transfers. Look for the cards option, which includes both credit and debit cards. Most of the time, this feature is already enabled by default. However, if you see that it's not active, simply toggle it on to enable debit card payments. So if you'd like to review more details, click on the three dots next to the cards option and select View Details. From there, you can check which card networks are supported, typically Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and other popular cards accepted worldwide. To make the setup smoother, ensure that your Stripe account is fully verified and your business information is up to date. Also, double-check that your website or checkout system is connected properly to your Stripe account. Doing this ahead of time will help avoid any issues when customers start paying with their debit cards. Once everything is activated, you're ready to go. Customers visiting your website will now see the debit card payment option at checkout, allowing them to make secure and quick transactions directly through Stripe. It's also a good idea to test a small transaction before launching your store. Publicly, this helps confirm that payments are being processed smoothly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to accept debit card payments in Stripe effortlessly and give your customers a seamless checkout experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.